Redfish Firmware Update Introduction, located under Centralized and Firmware Management. Filter system firmware updates by BMC or BIOS files. Select either category to view corresponding sub-items. For instance, select BMC and choose the target system for update, such as the specific server model. Choose to upload files locally or remotely. For remote options, select either an HTTP path or an FTP server. FTP transfers require the server account and password credentials. Now return to the local interface to upload. Select a file from the uploaded firmware cache, such as the target version. Check the box to retain Redfish settings. Prevents post-update resets. Overriding existing data with new parameters. By selecting Keep All settings, all current configurations will be preserved. Select the target Redfish devices from the list, such as the Manage device. Click Update to apply the firmware. A system reboot is required after the update. Enter Yes and click OK to restart. Wait for the Redfish installation to finish. Update successful. Introduction concluded.